Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and tap on it. After that, select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then you can set up an hour over here and tap on days of the week in order to select them. Now click on alarm name, label your alarm however you wish to, go back and tap on the switches next to snooze, vibration and sound to enable or disable these features. You can also click on sound over here, choose allow and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on sound over here, tap on add at the top right corner and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you want to set up and choosing OK at the bottom right corner over here. Now you can change the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right and go back. Click on snooze and tap how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back again and then you can click on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, just click at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!